Many times we want to find the prime factorization of numbers, and this is especially important when we deal with fractions. Let me show you an example on how to find the prime factorization of 24, and to be sure that what you have is the correct prime factorization. Okay, the first thing is that you select the numbers, the prime numbers, starting from the number 2. It will be a good idea to memorize those numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. I would say that it will be a good idea to try to memorize the numbers, the prime numbers, at least until 23, and maybe it is a good idea to memorize them up to number 41. Okay, what do? We take the number 24 and we try to select the first prime numbers that fits into 24. Well, the first one is 2. You take the number 2. Is 24 divisible by 2? Yes, it is. So what you need to do now is to divide it and find what the result is. That in this case is 12. Then you take the number 12. You look at the same number and you say, is this divisible by 2? Yes, it is. So you divide it by 2 and you find the quotient of that. That is 6. You check again with 2. Is this divisible by 2? Yes, it is. So you go now and you divide it again by 2 and you find the quotient. The quotient is 3. Of course, this is obvious, but you should again check. Is it divisible by 2? No, it's not. So since it's not, you go and you find the next prime number, that is the number 3, and you see if this is divisible by 3. Yes, it is, of course. So you divide it by 3 and you find the number 1. Note that once you reach the point where the number down here is 1, you can stop. You can stop up to this point because you are done. And what do you know? Well, you know that everything that you have right here is the product of primes that gives you the prime factorization of number 24. So what does this mean? This means that 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3.